Why won't you go off? Why won't you go off?
Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Polo, Forreston, Leaf River, Adelaide, and Baileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. for southeastern Joe Davies, north central Carroll, and western Stevenson counties. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren, or 12 miles northeast of Mount Carroll.